The factory manufactures vital energy.
The power of the sun, which meets the energy needs of all living on Earth, is nearly 1,000 times than the energy that all the billions of people in the world will need through a single day. Develop how to store this energy from the sun. An astonishing fact is a result of this plants for solar energy, and this system works in a manner. The name of this system is photosynthesis. About photosynthesis through the solar cells in their structure. Cells convert solar energy, thus producing carbohydrates, the basic food source of all life. Carbohydrates are fundamental sources of food that are directly or indirectly meets the energy requirement of all living things. There is no need to eat plants to obtain this energy. Since animals eat plants, human beings can obtain that energy by consuming animal products. For example, consider that they have the charged molecules and the energy contained in the molecule. Beings then take the energy which reaches plants from the sun and from there and use it in their own bodies. As we have seen, by whatever means they obtain, all living have to use the energy provided by solar energy by way of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, plants with nutrients, but also with a large part of the substances we use for fuel in our daily lives, such as petrol. Gas, for instance, are sources of energy. Solar energy was once stored through photosynthesis. The same applies to the wood we burn in kindling. Just in terms of this substance, it's clear how photosynthesis is really important. Photosynthesis and the mechanisms involved in it is also very important for scientists. If this process can be fully understood, it will also increase food production, most efficient use of nature, extract the energy, and faster, smaller machines that run on solar energy. However, immediately make it clear that we still do not to be able to use systems for energy by rotating the and yet photosynthesis is a very for a leap of consciousness. Despite advanced technology and billion-dollar research, we have been unable to replicate this system. It is astonishing. Hundreds of trillions of leaves have carried photosynthesis billions of years. Plants have carried out this process uninterruptedly since the first day they were created. This means that everywhere the factory energy produce sugar from carbon dioxide and water. Known to tomatoes we eat, parsley in our salad, the ivy grown are all in a constant production. The blessing from omniscient God on human beings. Are created in such a form to serve human beings, and all lead in implementing this flawless for millions of years that human beings, all of them, are unable to fully understand. So the Quran, God tells us that it is impossible for human beings even
created the heavens and the earth, and sent down water for you from the sky, which we make luxuriant grow. He could never make trees